Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a voiceover to your YouTube Shorts. So first of all, open the YouTube app, then go to the plus icon to create a short. And after you have recorded your YouTube Shorts, let's say you added your videos, recorded your things, you can do all the edits here. And when you tap on the check mark, it is going to open up this last page where you can still do some edits on your shorts. To record a voiceover, you just have to tap on this voiceover icon, which is going to be exactly in the middle of the screen. And you can start recording the voiceover at any point of the video. And you just have to tap and hold the record audio button, and it is going to play the video so you can see what you are recording here. So let's try it. So this is our voiceover for this video. I'm holding this and it is going to record our voiceover. And when you finish, I think you can play it. So this is our voiceover for this video. I'm holding this and it is going to record our voiceover. That's it. And then to save it, you just have to close it. And as you can see, the voiceover works. So that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.